does Pokimane. I didn't want you guys to find out like this, but yeah, I'm gonna Google myself. This could be a terrible idea. Hey everybody, welcome back to another IRL video Mind Weekly. And this one is thank you to anyone who's helped me film, anyone who's ever edited a video for me, anyone who has ever worked with or supported me in any way whatsoever. Actually, really avoid Googling myself. But I also don't think it's the worst idea either. I won't lie, there is one thing that I know when it comes to Googling myself, and it's that there's a particular other term that is widely searched alongside my name. So, you know what's the trollest thing though? I kinda wanna see what the problem with this being the most searched term is that I've even seen some articles. I didn't want you guys to find out like this, but yes. About me makes me seem like I have a child. Is it the belly? The game memeing. In general, relationship stuff is stuff that I don't like to talk about outright. Cause even when I'm single, like, imagine how many people care, and then if I got into a relationship, either way, I'm not. Thanks for asking. I know, it's probably because I'm really good at video games, you're like, she's gotta be creative. Right guys? That's why, yeah, decent. I'm not bad. That's not terrible. No. I don't try to moan. I have certain emotions of like frustration. I'm just like, or I just exclaim certain sounds. When I just make those sounds, sometimes people think it sounds like no. Up to means nothing. It means I could be earning $5 from AdSense, or I could be earning $600,000 from AdSense, which I am unfortunately not. I will confirm my net worth isn't $2 million. I'm just kidding. It's not, but you know, maybe. Sorry, I just found this really funny YouTube video. I need to listen to this. Motherfucker, I wish. But thanks. Girl got it. And, you know. I'm probably somewhere between like 115, 125. You know what? I probably shouldn't be going there. I'm just gonna say it's incorrect. Feet. I've heard a lot about my wiki feet, and it is exactly what you think it would be. A Wikipedia, but for feet. Why am I happy about that? I wanna be weirded out, but also like, all these comments are so nice. I never knew the foot fetish community were so friendly. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you to all my feet friends out there. Alright, I'm gonna stop going this deep into the internet. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have some other YouTube video ideas that I hope I'll get to make soon. Let me know if you liked it. I want to do a Q&A, so if you have any questions for me, you can leave them in the comments below as well. Also, I'm gonna put up a video like here, maybe like here.